If you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A27 via recovery mode, then first of all we need to connect our phone to a computer by using a USB cable. So let's quickly do so. There we go. Now, once you connect your phone to your computer, you should start charging, and now we want to simply turn it off. So I'm just gonna go to the power menu via quick settings panel. And then we're going to tap on this power button, and then you want to just power off your phone. There we go. Now, we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down. And since we are connected and charging, because the phone is connected to a computer, we need to wait for the battery information on the screen. So you will see like a slight small icon in the middle of the screen in a second, and then after a short time you will see information about the battery. We need to wait for the battery information. And once it appears, you will have to press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And you will have to hold both of these buttons at once for a couple of seconds. There we go. Now we have this information. So we're just gonna press and hold both buttons and just keep holding all the time. Even if you see the Samsung logo on your screen, you still want to hold both buttons. And soon after that, we should see, there we go, the recovery mode. Now we can unplug the cable. And in here, to hard reset your phone, we need to go to the wipe data / factory reset option. We can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons, and then you confirm your selected option by pressing the power button. Then over here, go to the factory data reset option and once again confirm. And in case you go back to this menu over here, you want to restart your phone, you want to reboot system now, you want to select that option. And then you will go back to the normal mode and you will have the initial configuration once again. Leave a like and subscribe.